Check out this 2009 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.